So let's jump into Momentum Stock Tracker. It seems like we're getting a ton of questions on that. So think of it being, I mean, Robert, you described this as, that magnificent 7 or 8 for risk ranges essentially, but it does give a little bit more context and background. So let's jump into that here.
Yes, this is so again, like the risk ranges themselves are provided inside the risk range product, right? They're one or they're 8 individual tickers, kind of like the elite 8 that a lot of folks focus on here in the US as well as abroad, right? Like they drive a lot. We've written a lot about this. You can see it in the market in terms of breadth, et cetera, et cetera. So we decided that it would be really important, or provide an opportunity for those that don't necessarily care about the other risk ranges in the macro, which again, not really kind of not really executing on the process fully, if that's the case, but it is what it is. So this is it's just basically an expansion of really important information to make intelligent decisions around, and kind of again, like just curating the detail that we think you should be paying attention to. So in this case, right, like what drives the risk ranges, what drives the VASP is price, volume, volatility. And you can see right here, you've got, performance, right? So price action over the last, day over day, the last 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, et cetera, et cetera. Same thing with the relative performance amongst themselves. And then the volume is listed there at the bottom. If you scroll down, you then get volatility and you get the, relative implied vol, et cetera, et cetera. So this is, again, it's a deeper analysis of, the elite 8, or the magma plus NVIDIA, as Keith might call it. But it's kind of that simple, right? I don't really, in terms of how to use it, like it depends on whether or not you're like transacting in these like elite 8. If you're not, then it's not really your product for you. But again, like it's an expansion, and it gives you a deeper analysis, a quick review of some of the key players that are influencing market action. And that's that, right?